Hello everyone, and welcome to How to Make Money Teaching Online. Teaching online is a fantastic job. The demand for online content is exploding. The demand has never been higher. Top instructors make very good money in this field, and the best news is you can start part-time with a very small investment. Hello everyone, my name is Eric Frick and I'll be your instructor for this class. Over the last 30 years, I've been in the IT business as a software development manager, a programmer, a software architect, and a senior executive. Over the last 5 years, I've transitioned into the education side of the IT business, and I've started my own online teaching business, and I now have over 15,000 students online. I want to show you how to get started in this business and how to be successful in this business. I can also show you some of the mistakes I've made along the way and how to avoid those. Let me go ahead and show you what's in the class. So let's go ahead and look and see what's in the course. We'll first start off with why teach online? What are some of the motivating factors for teaching online? Next, we'll look at how much money can I make? We'll look at some of the top earners in the field and also discuss realistically what you could make online. We'll talk about where can you teach? What different sites are available online? What should I teach? How you go about your course selection process. Then we'll talk about what kind of equipment you will need to start off with. There's a lot of equipment you can get, but you can start with a very modest amount of equipment to get going right away. I'll also give you some tips on how to get started, how to get out of those ruts. I've also put in some teaching tips of things that I've picked up over the last couple of years. And then we'll talk about marketing your classes, how you can go about to try to get some more sales and grow your business. Then I'll talk about the course production process and how you put that process in place to help keep you on track. And finally, in the last piece of this course, I have some teaching resources that I've included that you can look at some of the links and supporting material that I've found helpful along the way. Thank you so much for your interest in this course. If you'd like to learn more, you can pick up a copy of the book on Amazon, and I've put the link in the slide, and I'll also have it in the video description as well. In addition, you can view the videos for this course for free on my website at destinlearning.com, and I've included the link here on the slide. If you like this kind of material, consider subscribing to my channel to get updates when I put out new material. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.